Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques here on YouTube, and the channel where we show you the china being listed on our website. And we've got some very nice period, probably antique booths dragon, A8029 design in trios, as you are looking at here. Let's show you over these pieces. A really nice, absolutely characteristic shape, booths period 1920s teacup with this angular peaked handle. Nice inner cup decoration. Just look at that if I bring it in for a bit more detail. Lovely little sort of floral branch arrangement with blossom in the base, and then the fish scaling or hatching all the way around with the characteristic elements of the blue dragon. And then on the outer wall, 2 blocks with the characteristic chinoise blue dragon design. Very nicely marked, these pieces. There you have the blue crown booths banner mark. Made in England, Dragon 8029 on an A marking. Can't make out the actual date stamps on these pieces, so date range for these is somewhere between 1920 and about 1932. Probably mid 1920s is about right. Saucer plate, again, just look at the glaze reflection on that, in fantastic mint condition. Beautiful inner wall decoration. Outer 2 blocks of the dragon, again with the floral infills. Not matching. This is quite nice and interesting. They quite often just repeat the pattern, but here they've got, again, that sort of branch-like and blossom, and then the full, what looks like a camellia or Chinese rose on the top, again with matching A8029 period design marks. Very deep saucer plate. Just look at the moulding detail on here. You've got the central well, then this curved element, and then the rim itself going out to this moulded rim detail with the deep scallop and rich gold or gilt decoration around the outer wall. And that sits on this very nice and matching period side or T-plate. 4 dragon blocks, intermittent alternating infill floral design. Nice clean interior glaze. Again, let me get the glaze reflection for you on that. Absolutely superb, without any scratching or markings on these. And nice period matching A8029 marks again. So very nice trios. Absolutely gorgeous, very nice and clean. Let me get that in focus. Really beautiful sets, and if you're a collector of blue and white, want something a little different from the standard blue willow, then Dragon may be one that really sparks your interest. I thought I'd had loads of these over the years. It's one of those patterns that you see repeatedly and think we've always got on catalogue, but actually this is the first listing for a blue dragon teacup tea trio from booths that I've put on the website in over 10 years of operation. So a little bit of a surprise for me there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, sizes, all the measurements and details are on our website. So just click the link below and it should take you directly through to the listing with the prices and availability of these. We've got 2 of them that are going on catalogue this afternoon. Ship them globally from the UK. Thanks for watching.